Good morning, my dear children. Today we will continue Block 5 Neighborhood and School. We have already studied first and second lesson. So today we are going to learn third lesson from the block People in the Neighborhood. Aim of this lesson is to recognize the role of different people in a neighborhood. We studied what is neighborhood? Yes, neighborhood is our surroundings. Our family lives in a house and different families live in a houses around us. These families are our neighbors and the area in which we live is called neighborhood. So there are different people live around us and people who help us in different ways. In today's class, we will learn who are the other people in our neighborhood apart from your neighbors. Different people in our neighborhood who help us. We cannot do everything by ourselves. Today, we will learn different people in our neighborhood who help us in different ways. Who are the people in the pictures? What do they do? Yes, the people in the pictures are policeman, postman, teacher and doctor. The policeman protects us from many dangers like robbers. Postman delivers the letter from one place to another. Teacher helps students to learn in school. The doctor treats people who fall sick. Can you think of some other people from your neighborhood who help us? Yes, there are different people that help us. Who are they? There are people like sweeper, garbage cleaner, washerman, newspaper man, shopkeepers, vegetable sellers, security guards, cobbler and barbers. They all help us in different ways. People like the sweepers and garbage collector keep the surroundings clean. Shopkeeper and vegetable seller, security guard or gardener, milkman provide service by keeping necessary items for our daily use. The security guard protect the neighborhood. The gardener keep the neighborhood beautifully by watering the plant. Cobbler and barber offer their service when people need them. Cobbler by mending shoes, footwear, and barber by cutting the hair. Okay, dear children, why do different people do different things in a neighborhood? What if they all did the same things? Every person living or working in a neighborhood has a role and a responsibility. Different people do different things because everyone may not be able to do the same thing. A doctor may know how to treat the sick but may not know how to fix a wire or cut hair. We would need an electrician or barber for other tasks. So here all these neighborhood people are very important. So we should always remember all type of works are equally important and we must respect them. Okay, children, I hope you understood who are the different people in our neighborhood and who help us. Let's discuss our S3 people in the neighborhood. Fill in the table. Who are they? First picture shows a teacher and what do they do? Yes, teacher teach student. What if they were not there? We cannot learn new things. Then a policeman. Policeman guard us. If they were not there, what would happen? We are not safe. Then milkman. Milkman gives us milk. If there is no milkman, we will not get milk. Then sweeper. Sweeper, a sweeper keep our surroundings clean. What if he is not there? Yes, our surroundings will be dirty and we will fall sick. Okay, so all these neighborhood people played an important role in our surroundings or in our neighborhood. We should respect them and we should give equal importance to all these type of jobs. Hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.